Hi, there's some fantastic resources and information on YouTube on how to become a professional drone pilot. There's also a range of webinars that you can use to discover very specific information provided by businesses. If you're not familiar with webinars, they're often presentations held by businesses to promote and educate people on often very specific subjects. There's a range of benefits to webinars that can be very useful. Number one, there's no travel required. You can watch webinars online from your desk or home office. Number two, webinars are often interactive, allowing you to ask questions and give feedback to the presenters. Number three, webinars are very flexible, so you allow you to leave them. If you want to move on to something else, you can very easily. Number four, webinars are often archived, allowing you to watch them at a later date. And finally, number five, there's often bonus material included that allows you to access even more information on very specific subjects. Some of the best and most popular webinars for the drone industry online include SenseFly, Drone Deploy, D-Drone, Pix4D, and there are many others. If you'd like to leave your favourite drone webinars in the comments, please feel free. And if you'd like to learn more about how to become a professional drone pilot, please visit mydronecareer.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. So thank you for watching. Once again, if you'd like to leave in your own webinars, your favourite webinars that you find online in the comments below, that'd be great. Thank you for watching. Thank you.